Hello guys, hope you are fine. So today we are going to fold an origami below spinning top. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. So let's jump right in. I hope you enjoyed the folding of origami below spinning top. For more crafty fun videos like this, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.